good things are brewing in the hills of Vermont. That's where Green Mountain Coffee Roasters creates the finest in gourmet coffees. Its distribution center, located next to Green Mountain's roasting plant in Waterbury, Vermont, serves a range of customer channels, including grocery stores, mom-and-pop shops, convenience stores, and direct-to-customer orders from catalogs and the Internet. Each channel grows at different rates, so the facility had to be designed from the ground up to easily adapt to changing volumes.
We knew that we were on a 15 to 20% year-over-year growth pattern, which was sustainable, but the growth pattern was hard to predict. And so when we built the DC, we built into the DC the capacities to change and flow with the needs of the sales and the consumer.
Green Mountain was also challenged with squeezing an efficient facility into a footprint of only 56,000 square feet. To meet its goals, Green Mountain turned to Diamond Phoenix to create a scalable, integrated design. Why choose a company best known for engineering quality carousels when none are used in the building?
It was the other skills that they brought to the table and the willingness and openness to partner with us that created this Diamond Phoenix partnership. Some of their key performers have come from large integrators, and they brought with them a tremendous amount of knowledge of the industry, and that knowledge we wanted to tap into.
Diamond Phoenix created a plan that builds the material handling systems in phases as volumes demand and capital is available. Green Mountain is currently about 1/3 of the way through 10 planned design phases, completing another phase each year or so. In its current operations, roasted coffee is brought from production next door through an overhead bridge. These pallet jacks will eventually be replaced in later phases with conveyors and shuttle cars. Product is then placed in 3 rows of high bay storage. Turret trucks currently work in 2 aisles and will be replaced soon with automated cranes. A manually operated crane works in the 3rd aisle, placing inbound pallets into storage, retrieving pallets when needed for orders, and replenishing pick tunnels on the bottom level. The pick tunnels feature pick-to-light to select cases directly onto conveyor belts. Split case picking is performed on an upper-level mezzanine. Pick-to-light is also used here to gather products into totes. An adjacent value-added area grinds individual orders to the particular tastes of coffee clients. Completed orders are conveyed to a narrow belt sorter that diverts them to pack lanes. There is little space for accumulation here, so the warehouse execution system, also supplied by Diamond Phoenix, manages the discrete inventories, monitors the system, and then coordinates the picking processes with the workflow in the pack stations through the use of dynamic routing and the precise allocation of materials. Products arrive only when and where lanes are available at both the packing stations and shipping. Packed items are then sent to shipping, where they join with full case orders and are sorted to docks. The cartons are then palletized for LTL shipments or parcel carriers and loaded along with full pallet orders onto outbound trucks. 99.8% of products shipped when promised. Currently, 25 million pounds of coffee pass through the DC each year, which will eventually increase to 50 million pounds once all design phases are completed. Green Mountain is very pleased with the quality and efficiency of its distribution system, and so are its customers, who can be assured there will always be another delicious cup of coffee heading their way.